For decades, C++ has been the industry standard for high-performance computer programming in fields ranging from robotics and embedded systems to artificial intelligence and even video games.
C++ is a programming language that is used for sort of the foundational parts of just about anything we do. It sticks in between the higher level software and the hardware, and that's a much bigger part of the world than most people think. And so it's basically everywhere.
Our world is becoming increasingly autonomous, and AI can be found in more and more applications. C++ is the common thread between self-driving cars, drones, and robotics. At Udacity, we're working with C++ experts to prepare students for the many careers that utilize this programming language.
It has a core domain sort of in between the hardware and the higher levels of software. And that domain seems to be increasing as we have many more gadgets. It can handle the complexity of your camera. It can handle your fuel injectors and the steering wheel on your car. There's few languages that can actually do that well.
Udacity uses a project-driven educational approach in which students build a portfolio of C++ projects to prove that they are ready for jobs as C++ engineers.
As we get more computerized gadgets, we get more C++. C++ will become more useful and easier to use and more powerful, and the growth will carry on. It's fun.
Join our Nanodegree program and learn C++ today.